Hi, in this video I will explain how to configure mobile rewards. This tool has been created to monetize your mobile applications. All you have to do is to create a list of offers so your users can complete tasks on this list, and by completing this they can get some points, and those points they can exchange for their rewards. Mobile rewards is also dedicated to monetize your mobile web pages and unblock access posting there. Keep in mind that you can also use mobile rewards on the desktop version, but it is designed to the mobile devices. After logging into the panel, look for the Content Locker button on the left and then choose the mobile rewards from the drop-down menu. Click the Add a Locker button and proceed. On the left, you can see the locker settings, and on the right, there is a tool preview that can be zoomed in and out as needed. Now we set the name of the locker, for example, Mobile Rewards Test. Its name will be visible only to you and will help you with identifying individual lockers. Then choose the type of locker header. At this stage, we decide whether the header will be displayed as text or as photo. I choose the first option. If you decide to choose the second one, in the next step you will see Upload a Photo button. Click it and select the photo from your device. In following step, complete the field Header Content. I enter Shop. Next, add the locker title, for example, Collect Points, and complete the locker description. I'm completing this field as follows: collect magic points and exchange them for valuable items in the game. Now we should define the instructions and add a title box on the login and registration page. Then we add the description on the login page. We can also change the background on the login and registration page. To do this, click on the Upload a Photo button and then select an image from your device. This change, however, is not necessary, and you can keep the default background as I have done. Finally, you decide whether to reject the CPI campaigns or not. Select No or Yes from the drop-down menu. Remember that at each stage, you can monitor the effects on your configuration by clicking the preview on the right. After the changes, our mobile rewards looks like this. Let's move on to selecting the theme. From the drop-down list, choose Template 1 or Template 2. I choose Template 2. Now you can customize your theme and design it according to your preferences. Select Yes from the menu to adjust the background colors on the left and right side, the background color on the offer list, the offer's background, the background of the offer scoring, and the colors of the number of points, content on the locker, offer points, and the menu button. After the changes, our mobile rewards presents itself this way. Now we will go to the Rewards List tab and click on the Create a Reward button. We need to complete a reward name field. I type Magic Weapon. In the Reward Value field, I enter the number of points needed to receive the prize, for example, 20. I complete the description on the rewards as follows: this word has enormous power. Grab it and find out. Next, upload the prize picture from your device. Also, you will have to choose action after collecting the reward. You have two options to choose: redirection to URL. In the field below, enter the address for redirection. At this stage, you can also set an additional question by selecting the Yes option in the window. And then type the content of the additional question below. This option is aimed at advanced users. Anything can be a question. For example, you can ask about an email address. The user must answer it when collecting each reward. The answer is a value that can be automatically completed in the user redirection address we have provided in the fields above. You need to add the attribute to any part of the link. The attribute will then be automatically filled with the value you entered, for example, an email address. It is also possible to receive an email about the user, but you must provide an email address at which you wish to receive all information. A sample email looks like this. In the preview, check if the current look of the locker suits you and finally click Save. Now we will see a list of created lockers. Next to each of them, you will find useful buttons. For example, we can change the locker appearance, check the list of users, copy the code, see the reward list, and remove the locker. That's all. Now you know how to configure mobile rewards. In MyLead, we also have tools such as CPL locker, file locker, and captcha locker. If you wish to know how to configure them, you can find the links in the description. See ya!